Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting the foundation. Create a new Logic Pro X project and confirm tempo, key, and sample rate so samples warp correctly. Next, import your Splice sample by opening the Splice plugin or dragging the file into a new audio or sampler track, and make sure you rename the track for organization. Once done, set the track's input/output routing and enable low latency mode when recording. This avoids timing drift. These steps ensure clean playback and accurate editing right away. You now refine the content. Use flex time or the sample editor to correct transient timing, selecting slicing or polyphonic so artifacts are minimized. Then trim regions, apply fades, and quantize grooves when you need tight timing. Duplicate strong sections to build arrangement structure. Once arranged, map slices or convert to MIDI for pitch edits, and layer complementary samples to enrich texture. Make sure to adjust gain staging, panning, and send effects early, because these choices shape the track's spatial clarity and dynamic balance. You finish by polishing and exporting. Apply subtractive EQ to clear conflicts, use compression to control dynamics, and add subtle saturation for presence. Automate volume and effect parameters to keep the mix moving. When ready, bounce stems or the full mix, verifying bit depth and adding dither if lowering resolution. If you hear glitches or unnatural stretching, revisit flex time algorithm settings or replace that splice sample with a higher resolution file. Re-importing with the correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.